Hello and welcome to this new video on how to create Airbnb experience. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So Airbnb experience is a platform that allows locals to share their passions, skills and knowledge with travelers from around the world. It's a way to go beyond the traditional tourist activities and offer a more authentic and impressive experience. From cooking classes to hiking adventures, Airbnb experience covers a wide range of activities that are designed to connect travelers with the local culture in a meaningful way. So becoming an Airbnb experiences host is a straightforward process. You will need to create a unique profile, describe your experience, set your price, and pass a background check. Once approved, you can start accepting bookings and managing your experience through the Airbnb platform. Before all that, Airbnb has to approve your experience based on three main pillars. They are expertise, insider access, and connection. You have to score well on all three to get approved. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.